Gas him up and get him killed. Probably spoiled like milk. He get tough off a pill. He get.
Who'd have thought that YouTuber got like this?
God damn.
Yeah.
What's the challenge? The challenge is last to lead the year. Just get it, bro. It starts in literally 10 seconds, all right? Cap, it starts in 5, 4, 3, 2.
Nah, yo, what you doing, nigga? Turn on the AC, yo, you bugging, nigga.
I'm a full big nigga. How long y'all gonna be in for? Shit, might be 2 days, might be 6 hours. We don't know yet.
You got food in here?
Hey, bring the lemur. Oh, that's Punga.
King Julian.
What the fuck is that? Nah, bro.
Yo. Hey, somebody get him. Somebody get him.
Yo, turn the AC up, bro. He about to pass. Yo, he got a hoodie on. He about to pass it. I won't say that.
Nah, hell no. He look like he about to piss in that position. Nah, bro. Look at Kai. Look at my nigga Kai right here. Ducked off.
You want to be picked up?
Anybody want to leave? Yo, Punga got a chance to leave right now. That's hot, bro. Let's get the bird. Yo, this is. He put a hole in the back of your chin. What the fuck?
Nah, you don't want to come back here.
Bird.
Hold on. Don't look at him. I ain't gonna lie, he looking at everybody.
Real, bro.
Yo, you forgot the bird, gang. What's your favorite water?
Dasani.
Bro, why the fuck am I even in here, bro? Nigga, I got my own Lamborghini, nigga.
Damn. Like that. Kai's flexing.
Get out this shit, if you step out, get the fuck out of here, bro. Yeah, hey, Lam, bro. I'm gonna holler at you, Lam, bro. Hi, Lam, bro. Yo, my nigga, y'all be safe, you are. Safety, you are.
Kai out of there. Be right back.
I got my own Lamborghini, bro. Why was I even in there? Pull up.
Damn.
You feel what I'm saying?
What kind of water is that?
Dasani.
It's that third party water.
Oh shit. Does he bite? Everybody take a gulp of water and keep it in your mouth. If you laugh, you out. Fuck, man, I'm finna.
Like 13.
Yo, big bro. Ain't no big bro, nothing. Yo, big bro, you want to turn on the AC, big bro? I'm not turning on that AC. Bro, there's no AC. You sure, big bro?
Yo, I'm so fucking hot.
It's off for a little goat. Because tonight will be the night that I will fall.
Where are they getting these animals from, bro? Don't put the goat in the lamp.
Yo, chill out, man.
Hold him. Yo, his balls.
His balls, man, long though.
Nah,
So bitch ass up, nigga.
I ain't gonna lie, I'm sweaty as fuck. I done burned like 28 pounds already.
We doing the seat change. Bolton, go to the back. The only time stepping out is allowed.
No.
It's the only time.
No.
It's the only
You
time
said that if
stepping
my foot would have hit the floor, I'd have been out. But Kyle didn't get out. He eliminated. What you mean? What you mean now? What? Yeah, bro. What the fuck? No, but you didn't tell him to his foot while you're going to the floor.
I ain't think of that.
Exactly, because another rule.
All right, so
God did.
He gets scared.
So wait, we doing redos?
You gotta redo.
All right, so we leave it over like it's a fresh year.
Turn on the car.
Yo, 300,000 miles with the AC right now.
Yo, this shit feels so good, man.
Nah, bro. Get the fuck out of here. King of the jungle ass nigga. Nah, get the fuck on. You're not getting in the car with me. I don't give a fuck. Anything that size of an animal, nigga, slithering like that, fuck no. That's like
if my 64-year-old mom can make $18,274.
What's coming in next? I gotta hold it.
I don't give a damn if he's trained.
Don't hold it. If you don't hold
He does not know
it,
that.
you're eliminated.
Nailed in before, none of that. One of them niggas can smell like KFC.
Oh! Wait.
He hates the color black.
What you mean? Nigga, what you mean I'm wearing black, nigga?
Just don't breathe hard.
Nigga, what you mean?
Wait.
Nigga, what you mean? The nigga slithering.
Hey, hell no, bro.
I gotta respect the whole world. When you listen. He hissing, bro. He ain't eat today, bro. You wildin', bro.
Nah, niggas is hissing. Get him out of there. I'm out of there.
Y'all wanna quit now? Y'all can. Hey nigga,
Yo, but
how
you
much
hear
they
that,
be?
nigga?
How much they cost? About 300,000. I'm finna be on 300 later.
Hell yeah, nigga. I ain't quitting no shit.
I ain't gonna lie. The worst thing is dealing with fat niggas. But niggas do not give up.
We can't give up, bro.
God damn.
I ain't never rode on 300,000 before. Bro,
So,
hey, yo. You know, snakes like being in the heat. So he chilling right now. He like being hot.
Nah, because
they're his own.
Aren't they cold-blooded or some shit?
Exactly. So that's why you put him in the tent.
Who's the last one to hold her?
Him right here. She sizing him up.
what you mean?
They putting the snake back in there?
Not coming out.
No,
Oh.
what you mean?
Yo. Be careful because he like to eat hair.
What you mean? Nigga, I got bad hair.
Oh, nah. Wait, yo, can they go to
All in there? Nah, bro.
Nigga, chill, nigga. I got a electric on me, nigga. Chill.
Yeah, I got baby Shaq on me, you know what I'm saying?
Nigga,
Two goats.
nigga, chill, nigga.
Oh, yo.
Nigga, chill. Don't move too much, nigga.
Chill, gang.
Seem like y'all some goats. I ain't gonna lie. Like we got baby goat, but we got the three-headed goats.
Yeah.
Y'all complete the challenge, my boys. Y'all get the old job the motherfucking feet.
Nigga, the goat got Burberry on. Yo, this shit is crazy.
I would say the goat not gonna do nothing.
God damn. Turn this motherfucker on.
I did.
Winners only. Winners only.
Watch.
I be careful of that. Hold on to it.
Oh, it's open road punch.
Yo, this shit important. Look at that. Come here. Come here. Come here.
Yo, you ain't order no fries, bro.
Bro, how old is son? He's like 12.
Is he even real? He got a glizzy with
no bullets. Do we even kill? What? Niggas dissing in they rack. Shit, we call it drill. Tell me, yeah, I'm trying to fuck you to the slow down.
All right, ready? You know how to do it?
Nah.
Hold on. They got Lil Man's driving right now.
Okay. Now you can punch it a little bit. You know what I'm saying? You in the parking lot. It's private. Punch it a little bit. Punch it. Damn. All right, hold on. All right.
Lay down.
All right, that's it.
Lay down. Lay down. Hey, man, let me drive home, man. Hey, how we get home, man? Come on, man.
All right. Now hold the brake. Hit the P. Get the fuck out the car, gang.
Oh, man, hold on.
Oh, this shit. Push, nigga.
You can go fast in here, man.
How you go dumb fast in here?
I know. I know. Shout out to the fucking truth, man. You feel me? That's what we work for. You know what I'm saying? We ain't good. The broski's here. The viewers here, too. I just want to say thank you, though, from the bottom of my heart. Like, for real, though, y'all. Because I ain't gonna lie, bro. Y'all done seen me come from nothing to whatever I got going on now, bro. So I can only say thank you. No funny shit, man. All thanks to the Most High. You see Kai with the Help Kitty. You see the caddy. You see the red lamb. Come on, bro. It's toys, bro. Matter of fact, we got to celebrate. This is not playing. This is not playing.
All right, y'all. We out, man. Appreciate you guys. Catch you on the next one. We gone.